Hey guys, how you doing? My name's Jed Albrecht, and welcome to this video on ClickFunnels for Dummies. Well, you're in the right place because I myself am truly a dummy. A couple years ago, I didn't even know how to text on my phone. I had to have my little sister show me how to do it, and I started using ClickFunnels. I literally could send emails. That's about it. And I was building funnels within the first 14 days. I had my first client where I was building funnels for them and driving leads for them within 30 days, and I've been using it every day ever since. And I'm a stay-at-home dad, and it's allowed me to earn extra income, quite a bit of extra income on the side from home. So really, this software has changed my life. And I also am an affiliate for ClickFunnels, so I promote it. I teach people how to use ClickFunnels. I absolutely love it. And if I were to start all over again, now this was not available when I started. This is called the One Funnel Away Challenge. But I have gone through the One Funnel Away Challenge, the first one, and it's absolutely insane. So if I were to start all over as a dummy, I would go through the One Funnel Away Challenge. Now the next one, depending on when you're watching this, starts August 5th. It's June right now. So if you get this video early, get on it. If it's past August 5th, still click on the link because they are starting to run these every quarter, as soon to be, my guess, every month. Don't quote me on that, but you can sign up and get registered for the next one, save your spot. It is $100, guys, but it is well worth $100. It's 10 times, 20 times more that. The training you get over 30 days, people charge thousands of dollars for. So it is $100 for this program, guys, but you're going to get the blueprint. You're going to get private community with only people going through the training. You're also going to get this hard copy 30-day book. And what you're getting is not only the daily training on how to start your business, grow your business. So you're going to learn everything from building funnels, creating offers, whether you have a product to sell or not. It's going to show you and teach you how to create a product or even start affiliating and selling ClickFunnels or other products. So there are many different routes you can go, but the training is absolutely priceless, guys. And the best part about the training is you're going to get 30 days of not only coaching with Stephen Larson, Julie Stone, but also with Russell Brunson. And you're going to get, you're going to get the book, and you're going to get the MP3. Let me tell you about the MP3 really quick. This is super cool. The MP3 is going to be packed with all the past funnel hacking lives, which is the ClickFunnels funnel hacking event, where 7-figure and 8-figure earners are telling you their story and then their plan. So like they're talking about like how they created their funnel, how they grew their business. So you're going to hear from all different types of people from all different types of industries, and you'll be amazed at what you hear. Sometimes it's the person you don't think that's going to inspire you that does. So if you don't sell products and or if you're not into coaching, still listen to them because you'd be surprised what you're going to hear and how it might help you and change your business. I truly love the MP3s. I would lay in bed at night and listen to them. But my favorite part about it is you're going to get this here, unlimited access to 30-day interviews. So you're getting interviews with 7-figure and 8-figure earners, okay? And and these are videotaped interviews. So you're actually getting 2 interviews. The first interview is they're going to talk about their plan from day 1 to day 30, what they would do if they had to start over from nothing, how they would grow their business. Would it be with ads, Facebook groups, all different types of stories. So you're going to find someone that's going to connect with you and jive with you on how you want to grow your business. But also, the second interview part is they're going to go behind the scenes and show you their funnel that they built that helped them earn $1 million a year. So you'll see how they put together the funnel, how they structured it, how they sent out their emails, did their email marketing automation on some of them, not all of them, but you're going to get but all of them are going to show you their funnel, what they did, how they grew it. And when you watch these interviews, you're going to be like, wow, it's really not that difficult. It really isn't. So this is priceless, guys. It's called the One Funnel Away Challenge. I will put a link below. I highly recommend you get on this. If you're serious about getting started with ClickFunnels, if you're serious about growing your business, $100 is nothing, guys. You will more than recoup that cost. All right, so I'll send you the link below. Enjoy. I am an affiliate for ClickFunnels. If you do end up getting the program, thank you so much. It does help me out. I do get a percentage of that, but I know it's going to help you guys. I know it's going to change your life as it did for me. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.